The following movie is rated I.
Let's take that Lifan KPX250 and go for a ride. Yes, I'm going to get the DRZ out too this year, hopefully. It's supposed to rain this afternoon now. The old KPX250. Ooh. I did not get the flash for the computer. I keep forgetting to contact them to see if they'll send me something for the flash update. She is smooth running. We'll take the back roads up there. Oh, it's showing I need gas. I guess I'll have to gas up in Dover. This is a smooth running machine though. A lot of you say, well, you know, you can get a Japanese used bike for that price. You're not going to get really that good of a Japanese used bike for this price. Go look at how much they are. They're usually clapped out. Haven't seen many problems with these online either. And Lifan has been around a while, so I think they'll stand behind their product. Hopefully we'll never have to find out. I know I've been doing a lot of e-bike content, huh? Like I've stated before, I wasn't really a big fan of e-bikes until the higher wattage units come out. You know, the economy or budget style that I get. And now I kind of love them. It's kind of the in-between of a walking, hiking bicycle by foot, manually. In between that and a real motorcycle. Because you can go places you can't with the motorcycle, legally. Ooh, I think I'll wait. Over the line there, buddy. Hard to pull a wheelie on this though. A buddy of mine bought that last dual hub that I reviewed. He's got a real gnarly hill he's got to get up. We're gonna go by it, maybe if we can find it and try to go up and see. He's wondering if it would make it up there. I think it will, after what I went through the other day. Up that mountain with Samurai Steve's cabin. That was impressive. If something was gonna break, it would have broke. So yeah, I really do dig these e-bikes now. They just keep getting better and better and less expensive. I want to try to get up into those higher wattage models. I'm not taking anything that's not 1,000 watt peak anymore. And I do get approached by multiple a week, but if it's not 1,000 watt peak minimum, I'm not going to do the reviews on them anymore because they do so poorly with all the hills around me. Yeah, I know you guys that are more urban areas maybe want to see stuff like that, but sorry man, I'm in the country. I'm a country folk. I got to take Minnie out for a spin soon too. Don't want her to feel neglected. I don't think that's it. That could be it. That's definitely not it. That could be it. Should look for bicycle tracks. I don't know exactly which one it is, so I'm not gonna just go trespass. There's bicycle tracks right here. Back to the e-bikes. I got a feeling we're going to see some legislation that's going to start banning some of these faster, more powerful e-bikes. In my opinion, if you want one, you better snap one up before they do that. You get some idiots doing stupid stuff and then people calling the cops, or just a couple Karens, and then we'll lose a bunch of our rights to have these e-bikes. when I fill it up today, we'll have to see what I get for mileage. Cruising the back roads. Always prefer the back roads. Yeah, I think I want to bring this to Florida. Maybe get rid of the Raven. I think it'd be a great Florida bike. I will have to change the shoes on it. Put something a little more knobby. I can probably get away with what it has for now, but eventually. Yeah, it's an old Jeep.
A few moments later.
That's too fast for you. Yeah, you're faster than me.
Keep up.
No. Hey, Billy. Nice scooter.
Thank you. Got it from a nice guy.
Yeah? Your headlight's on.
Makes me 5 miles an hour faster.
No, it should slow you down.
With the headlight on?
Yeah.
Why?
It's taking power. The rain?
1 o'clock in the morning.
Is that what it said?
Yeah.
No, it's just going to miss us. Yeah, about 11 o'clock.
No. Billy, when you get home, check the air.
I checked it before I left.
Did you?
Yeah. It's like 22 pounds. What do you want to race?
No.
Alright.
I don't want to embarrass you anyway. Look, from here to that pole.
Go ahead, ready? They are fast. Not as fast as a 250. Oh, I can't go this way. I gotta get gas. The heck am I thinking? I gotta fill up. Oh, Gumby lands. Super. Cause she's fast. Need rocket fuel. 1.66 gallons. We got 241 miles on this beast. I reset it again, so I'll get a more accurate reading next time. Hey now! Yeah, we'll take the main road home. She ain't even broken in yet. Oh, Cheesy, you gotta do some more riding. Jeez. Any day now. Running good.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.